Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Now guys, let's briefly take a look at the gold market as usual. As you can see, market has turned to some consolidation around our support, the 1330 area. So initially market has hit the daily oversold twice, and it's just creeping across this FIB support and stands in the tight range. Initially we see this support has worked, so you can see this drop lower, pullbacks, long shadow again, drop lower, pullback. Right now, these 2 days market stands mostly lower inside of this former range that previously has been rejected by some purchases on the gold market. This push market higher and right now stands lower. So as you can see, market is not at oversold anymore. It just stands inside of this consolidation, and on the daily chart it mostly reminds the pennant pattern. So the usual pennant is the bearish continuation, not just bearish but just continuation pattern, and it's just usually it's the continuation of the trends that was before the pennant has been formed. So that's why probably market really could show some drop. And here guys, we have a bit contradiction between the patterns that we have on the 4-hour time frame chart and the overall behavior that we see right now. So for example, take a look at the 4-hour time frame chart. On the 4-hour time frame chart, we have discussed the chances on the appearing of these head and shoulders, and we said, well, market maybe will show some upward action and to form this shoulder to keep the harmony of this pattern. But here we do not see currently, at least currently, the chance for that, because this market looks really heavy. It's just creeping and creeping with the support line, and we currently do not see any bounce up. Besides, take a look that overall the situation mostly looks like the bearish dynamic pressure, because take a look, the trend has shifted bullish, but market is creeping and creeping and just do not show any thrusting action. This usually leads to drop and taking out of these lows, but maybe this upward action will start after that. So just the neckline of the head and shoulders pattern could be shifted a bit, maybe right here, slightly lower. This market will test this support area and then turn to the upside. This really is still possible. So maybe this is not a mutually exclusive pattern. So maybe the first one, this will be completed, and after that market could start to form this right shoulder. We will see. But right now, this consolidation mostly looks bearish, at least in the short term, and usually such action suggests the taking out of these lows, at least at minimum. So this minimum target of the bearish dynamic pressure. So that's what we see right now. On the hourly chart, guys, here is how it could happen. This market right now is forming some kind of the symmetric triangle pattern, but at the same time it could form the butterfly here and hit 1315 area, approximately 1618 extension. Also guys, it's very interesting. So here we could get even the 3 drive pattern. Take a look. This first drive is 127. This is the second drive, it's 1618. And you just do not see it, but we have extension of the butterfly that coincides with this one. So I will move a bit this extension line, and you will see it. You see this green line is 127 extension of the butterfly, and just coincides pips to pips with the extension of this leg. So that's why if you contract the chart, you could get this, for example, first drive, second drive, this will be third drive. This could be some kind of 3 drive pattern. 1350 area also coincides. Take a look at the weekly pivot support one. Maybe after that some upward action will start. We will see. But right now, we think that if you initially have planned to take the long position in the scalp trade, if you're trading on the intraday charts and you plan to take the long position with the possible action to the 1360 area, we think that it's not time yet to think about it. So wait when these patterns will be either destroyed. For example, if market will start move higher right here, break this area to the upside, move above the weekly pivot point. Well, in this case, maybe it's really could start the action to 1360. But until this pattern is valid, it's better to not move against it and wait when it will be worked out. For example, if market will complete this both patterns and will hit 1350, well, in this case you could think again about the taking scalp long position if you indeed would like to trade this hand shoulders partially. So as on the way down, as on the way up. For example, on the 15-minute chart, this could be nice trend to the 1360 area, but only when these patterns will be completed. And if market indeed will show signs of the reversal here, because it just could break it and continue move down, this also is possible. That's our view on the current market. So that's been said. In the short term, we see the bearish signs, bearish patterns are forming right now. It's very short term. That should lead for another move down. That's why if you would like to trade it on the short side, you can try it. If you have the bullish view, wait when these patterns will be either destroyed by the price action or when they will be completed. And after that, you will be able to think again about the possible scalp long trade on the bull market.